So today we're going to test two more hand drill sets. So this one is Western Red Cedar. Okay. And this set has never been used. Okay. And today I'm going to put this one aside. Our spindle is New York Ironweed. So it's a 1/2 inch diameter base at the spindle here. Alright, so we have to take a piece of paper, and I'm going to raise up the floor a little bit. And you can, this spindle has been tried before, as you can see, but it hasn't been used with this board. So this is going to be a first time with this board. So it has to mate, and let's see what happens. I think we got friction right away. We're getting a little bit of dust down there. We got some smoke. So we're going for speed and rotations over time. So we're just going, just keep going. Nice and relaxed. A lot of speed. I'm going to take one run down and let's have a look. There's something in there. So the HearthBoard is designed to not lose the coal, no matter where it goes. See that? And there's your coal. And that would just go in your tinder bundle. Right from there. So here we have Western Red Cedar with New York, bless you,
Thanks.
New York Ironweed. And when you're done, everything just gets put back. All right, thanks for watching.